Myself, Professor Yoshi Tita. I am working as an assistant professor in Noble Group of Institution, Engineering Department, Junagadh. Today, we are going to start the subject Digital Fundamental. In the subject today, we are going to learn the module number 1, Fundamentals of Digital Systems and Logic Families. On this module, today we are conducting the topic name Logic Gates and the Balloon Algebra. Let's start the topic. Topics to be covered end of this chapter are like logic gates. अरे ले जीगा तू हाँ ओके ओके आ लॉजिक गेट તું ભણી ગયો છો ક્યારે ઓકે બેઝિક ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિક્સ સબ્જેક્ટમાં હા સાચી વાત છે બેઝિક ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિક્સમાં આવતું હતું યાદ છે તને બધું ઓકે હા પણ આ ચેપ્ટરમાં આપણે લોજિક ગેટની સાથે બીજા ઘણા ટર્મિનોલોજીસ પણ જોવાના છે તો એ પણ જોઈએ તો અહીંયા શાંતિથી ध्यान આપજે અને તે સ્ટડી કરજે ઓકે મિત્રો આ જીગા નામનું કેરેક્ટર છે અને હવેથી તે આપણા ક્લાસને કાયમ માટે જોઈન કરશે તો લેટ સ્ટાર્ટ અહેડ બલૂન એલ્જીબ્રા નંબર સિસ્ટમ્સ કોડ્સ લોજિક ફેમિલીઝ ટર્મિનોલોજીસ આ બધા ટોપિકના નામ છે જે આપણે આ ચેપ્ટરની અંદર કવર કરવાના છે ઓકે જોયું છે કે કેટલું બધી ભણવાનું છે ઇટ્સ નોટ ઓનલી અ લોજિક ગેટ્સ વી હેવ ટુ સી ધ બલૂન એલ્જીબ્રા નંબર સિસ્ટમ કોડ્સ logic family and terminologies. This all should be covered in this chapter. Let's start from logic gates. First and foremost, we must have the knowledge what mean by the basic gates. Here one figure is displayed. As you can see, the position of the diode can turn the current on or off. That means a diode can be used as a one-way switch. If the wider end of it faces a positive terminal of a battery, it lets current through, or else it cuts the current off. Based on this system, a couple of switches are made and they are called logic gates. The input of these gates can be combination of on or off states and they are known as ones or zeros. These are binary digits that has been the basis of binary system. The output can be also be zeros or ones. That means we can express the output of these systems in terms of ones or zeros, a binary system. Classification of gates. Logic gates are classified in three categories. One is the basic gate, and basic gate again classified in AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. The second category is the universal gate, and universal gate is classified in a NAND gate and NOR gate. And the third one is the other category, and the XOR gate and XNOR gate are included in the other gates. Let's start with the AND gate. What is AND gate? AND gate has an output which is normally at logical level 0 and only goes highest to a logic level 1 when all its inputs are at logic level 1. Two input AND gate symbolic representation is mentioned here. This one is the symbolic representation of a AND gate. Here we can see there is a 2 input and it is mentioned as A and B, and the one output it is mentioned as the C. Now let's move on the balloon algebra or the logic notation of the AND gate. And the balloon algebra of the AND gate is a C output is equal to A dot B. This one is represent the electrical circuit of the AND gate. Here we can see there is a 2 switch, one is the A and second one is the B. If the current will comes to the C point when switch A and B both are simultaneously closed, if the switch A or 1 will open or the switch A and B both will open, current will not pass in the circuit and C will not get the result. Truth table. We can see there is a two input A and B. So there are four possibilities. Either A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, or A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0. We can see this one is the truth table of the AND gate. In this, we can easily identify the four possibilities. The value of A is 0, 0, 1, 1 and the value of B is 0, 1, 0, 1. From the equation or the balloon algebra, the output equation can be easily identified when C is equal to only 1 when A and B is equal to 1. Now let's move on the OR gate. OR gate or inclusive OR gate has an output which is normally at logic level 0 and only goes high to a logic level 1 when one or more of its input are at logic level 1. Symbolic representation of two input OR gate is mentioned here. We can see there is a two input lead, one is A and second one is B, while the output lead is called as C. The balloon algebra or logic notation of the OR gate is mentioned here. C is equal to A plus B. And the electrical circuit of the OR gate is mentioned here. We can see there is a two switch, one is the A and second one is the B. If a switch 1A is closed, we can get the current at C, or switch B is closed or A is open, at that time we can also get the current at C. But simultaneously switch A and B are open, we cannot get current at circuit C. Truth table of the OR gate. As we know, there is a two input lead, so there is a four possibilities. A is equal to 0, 0, 1, 1, B is equal to 0, 1, 0, 1 and the output C is equal to 0, 1, 1, 1. From the equation C is equal to A plus B. Now move on to the NOT gate, and NOT gate is also noted is a inverter gate. NOT gate has an output which is always opposite to the input level. It means if we gives the input 0, we can get the output 1, or if we can give the input 1, we can get the output 0. NOT or inverter gate. Symbolic representation of NOT or inverter gate is mentioned here. It has only a one input lead and the output is a 1. Suppose input is A and the output is C. The balloon algebra or the logical notation of the NOT gate is C is equal to A bar or C is equal to A dash. Truth table. There is a one input only, so there is a two possibilities. Either A is equal to 0 or A is equal to 1. So the output C is equal to 1 or 0. It is totally inverse of the input. Now move on to the NOR gate. NOR gate is an OR gate followed by the inverter. It means NOR gate, it is the combination of OR gate and the NOT gate. The symbolic representation of NOR gate is mentioned here. We can see this is the symbolic representation of the NOR gate. There is a two input, one is the A and second one is the B, while the output is called as a C. अच्छा जिगा तू पाछो आयो? हाँ ओके हाँ समझी गयो आ तू बात करे छे बरोबर ने ई OR गेट नो सिम्बोल छे पण अहींया तू जो आउटपुट छे ने त्यां एक बबल आपेलो छे એટલે OR गेट છે ને એ NOT गेट તરીકે બિહેવ કરે છે. તારી વાત સાચી છે, જો જઈએ તું. હા દેખાય છે ને બબલ? ઓકે. This one is the symbolic representation of the NOR gate. Logical notation or the balloon algebra of the NOR gate is C is equal to A plus B dash, because it is the combination of OR gate and the NOT gate. Truth table. There is a 2 input, so it has the 4 possibilities. A is equal to 0, 0, 1, 1, B is equal to 0, 1, 0, 1, and C is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0. It means it is the total inverse output of the OR gate. Now move on to the next one, and it is the NAND gate. NAND gate is just the combination of the AND gate and the NOT gate, and it is followed by the AND gate of the inverter gate. 2 input NAND gate symbolic representation is mentioned here. It has 2 input, one is the A and second one is the B, and the output is a C. Logical notation or the balloon algebra for the AND gate is C is equal to A dot B dash. Truth table. It has the 2 input, so there is a 4 possibilities. Either A is equal to 0, 0 or 1, 1, and B is equal to 0, 1, 0, 1, and we can get the output C is equal to 1, 1, 1, 0, and this output, it is the totally inverse of the AND gate output, so it is known as the NAND gate. Exclusive NOR or XNOR gate. XNOR gate that has one state when all of inputs are same and has 0 state when one of its input is 0 state and the other input is a 1 state. It is also known as equality detector. The symbolic representation of 2 input XNOR gate, it is mentioned here. It has a 2 input, one is the A and second one is a B, and the output is a C. The logical notation or the balloon algebra of the NOR gate is C is equal to in bracket A dot B. Truth table. There is a 2 input, so the 4 possibilities. A is equal to 0, 0, 1, 1, B 0, 1, 0, 1, and we can get the output C 1, 0, 0, 1. Now next one, exclusive OR XOR gate. XOR gate that has one state when only and only one of its 2 inputs assume a logic 1 state and has 0 state when all of inputs are the same. Also known as anti-coincidence gate or inequality detector. 2 input XOR gate, the symbolic representation is mentioned here. It is the symbolic representation of XOR gate. It has the 2 input, one is the A and second one is the B, while the output is a C. Balloon algebra or logic notation of the XNOR gate is C is equal to A plus B, and the truth table of the XNOR gate, it has the 4 output. The truth table of XOR gate, it is mentioned here. A 0, 0, 1, 1, B 0, 1, 0, 1, C 0, 1, 1, 0. These are the all basic gates and the universal gate we had learned.
I hope you understand well. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends so that they can get the knowledge. We will meet very soon with a new video lecture. Till that, bye, take care, stay home, stay safe.